Perpetual stretches the lead to 6.
Ito ang important dito. Tabayan na natin, how will Kines get his touches?
Gian Gomez finally getting one to go in. Pero sa kabila, Gian Gomez, he's been trying to find his first 2 points. Finally
Taking away the main point of attack ng LSGH. Yeah. Question is, can LSGH fabricate looks for the other guys?
Oh, look at that. Gorgeous move coming from Gian Gomez. And this guy is taking matters into his own hands to bring the Greenies back in it. Ian Zanoria called for the foul. Gian Gomez now. Again, this guy is taking on the scoring responsibilities. Gomez with another basket to tie the game.
Nakikita mo na tatlong tao yung ibibigay. Pero how about this move? Woo! The spinning away from the defense and shooting it over the outstretched arms of the defender.
Has 7 points here in the first. Gomez, no. Gomez comes up with it. Gian Gomez, another fade, gets the bounce that time. This guy is on a roll. He's got 9 points in the first. 15 from long distance.
Alam ko na ginawa nila sa practice kahapon. Panay spread shooting lang to. Si Coach Jock. Kasi nakikita mo yung shooting spots eh. Gian Gomez with a 3. Yung shooting spots, corner. Tapos yung mid-slice na yun. 2-foot gather umatake si Gillian Kines eh. Lagi siyang ganun. Or he would read the defense. Catch and look muna to eh.
Oh! Gian Gomez